Hey, Doomsday Preppers! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the essentials of survival. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of prepping that often gets overlooked, prepping with kids. Teaching your children essential survival skills not only prepares them for emergencies, but also instills confidence and self-reliance. Involving kids in prepping is a game changer. It helps them understand the importance of being prepared, boosts their confidence, and equips them with skills they can use in everyday life. Plus, it's an incredible way to bond as a family and have some fun while learning. First up, first aid basics. Teaching your kids simple first aid can be a real lifesaver in emergencies. Start with the essentials like cleaning and dressing wounds, CPR, and handling minor injuries. Make it fun and engaging by practicing on each other and using a first aid kit. Repetition is key to building confidence and proficiency. Next, let's talk about basic navigation. Teaching your kids how to read a map and use a compass is an invaluable skill. Start with simple exercises in your backyard or local park. Turn it into an adventure by setting up a treasure hunt using the map and compass. Practical experience like this helps them understand the concepts better and makes learning enjoyable. Emergency communication is another vital skill. Equip your kids with the knowledge to use walkie-talkies, signal mirrors, and even ham radios if they're older. Practice using these tools during family outings and teach them the importance of clear and concise communication during emergencies. It's all about being prepared and staying connected. And finally, make it fun. Kids learn best when they're having a good time. Turn prepping activities into games and challenges. Reward their efforts and celebrate their successes to keep them motivated and engaged. Keep it age-appropriate and safe, and you'll see them thriving and learning in no time. Prepping with kids doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right approach, it can be a fun and educational experience that prepares your family for any situation. Start small, be patient, and enjoy the journey together. Thanks for watching, Doomsday Preppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more survival tips and prepping advice. Stay prepared, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.